We're gonna be talking about how to make buttercream. I use King's cooking margarine. It's also used for baking, and then I use spoon icing sugar. And how it works is 2 to 1. So I'm using 500 grams icing sugar with 250 grams butter. So I really like this Kings. I highly recommend this Kings if you're doing colored cake because it's slightly tinted yellow. So if you're making or you intend making buttercream, this is the brand I really advise to use here in Nigeria. Even when the weather is so hot, you will not find your buttercream melting. So I put the butter into a bowl and make sure the bowl is a little bit deep. So you're going to mix your butter, and what you plan to achieve with this is to soften your butter. How do you know your butter is softer? It's going to be creamier like your body lotion, very smooth, and it's going to be a lighter shade of any shade your butter is. Some butters are this yellow, well I say margarines are in this yellow. If you notice, my butter is ready, is slightly lighter shade of yellow and it's smoother. Just looking at it, you can tell it's softer. So my butter is ready, and this took me, with this hand mixer, it took me like 1 minute. I love this hand mixer. I got it on Instagram or Nigerian China sales. She sold it to me at 3.5, and it doesn't overheat. It's just been wonderful. Then you get your icing sugar. I usually don't put all because of you're going to notice some of the sugar is evaporating. If you can watch the screen closely, you will notice like it's evaporating back into the air. So we don't want to lose a lot of our sugar. So I don't put all, and I don't pour it high from my, like, take my hand up too much when I'm putting my sugar. I try to bring it as close as to the butter. Then you will start folding. If you notice, I didn't put all the icing sugar because you're going to lose a lot. It's going to evaporate a lot if you put too much in. Now you're folding is like you're making gari. You just keep turning the sides into the middle. So now I add all of it and I continue folding my butter. So when you fold the butter, you take from the side and cut it into the middle, and that's going to help you incorporate your butter and your icing sugar faster. This works faster without having a lot of the icing sugar evaporating out than when you're turning in a circular motion. So how do you know your it has incorporated? You won't see a lot of the icing sugar, and your butter is going to be smoother. So here now we're going to have to soften our mixture again with the hand mixer. And if you notice, how you know your mixture is ready is that the shade will get lighter again and it's going to be creamier. So right now it's ready. Just going with your food coloring. I used a pink shade because I just wanted to, it's my baby's favorite color. So I used the mixer first and I switched to a hand spatula. You can use any one, just make sure you incorporate it very well. I separated some of the pink shades to use for writing and made the rest of my batter pinker. So this process took me less than 5 minutes and the texture was just lovely. Okay, so this is the results, and this is me putting it on the cake, and this was the final result. I didn't make a little, I only used one butter to cover a 9-inch width cake. So I just used just the mixture I just made right now to cover the whole of this cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I love you guys.